Hi, my name is Dr. Charlie Cage. I'm a dentist and welcome to my channel where I talk about everything dentistry. Today we'll be talking about an Optragate. What is it and how the hell do we use it? An Optragate is one of the many forms of isolation, but I find that it works well for anterior teeth. So if I ever have to do a mock-up, anterior crowns or veneers, it's really helpful. It really excels at retracting the cheeks to the point where we're able to see both the teeth and the gum. Before I knew about an Optragate, I used to use cotton rolls, and believe me, an Optragate is a lot better. I do also find myself using the Prime Scan or the Trios quite a bit, so an Optragate works really well to retract the cheeks, and all I have to do is focus on keeping the area dry and retracting the tongue. So how do I use this magical form of isolation? Well, if you're like me, you probably hate reading instructions, so let me show you. Let's go. But actually, before we go, leave a like and comment below. Let me know if you used an Optragate before. All right, let's go. So that's it. You think you'll try it? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to leave me a like. And until next time, bye.